Welcome, Peta-Gaye. Thank you for staying at AC Hotel Kingston, room 415.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising family.
Ooh, let's see our room. To book a hotel for this trip, finding a room that accommodates 4 was not as easy as I thought it would be. But we're happy we found the AC Hotel. Allan and I have stayed at AC before in New Jersey and we enjoyed it. So here we are with a great view of my Jamaica. Right next to the AC Hotel is a BMW dealership, so many BMWs parked up here. As you can see, there's natural lighting from the window. It's not even fully open, but it's also evening here, so it's not gonna be that bright. There's a lamp here in the corner. It's a nice little seating area with table. 2 beds to accommodate the 4 of us. There's a workstation with a lamp, charging port that obviously AJ has already jumped into using. Welcome, Peta-Gaye. Thank you for staying at AC Hotel Kingston, room 415. There are cushy benches. At least I think they're cushy. How do they feel? They're good? Okay. So they're cushy benches right by the television. Never mind Allan, he's tired like the rest of us. Between the beds are additional outlets, reading lights, a lamp, and a sleek looking phone, as well as a notepad, a pen, and a little nook area under the table. Here's some artwork. More outlets. This is good for when you have to iron. If you have to iron, the outlets are right here. There's a peephole here for your safety. Right by the door is an ice bucket, what looks like a coffee machine, some tea bags, cups, sugar and sugar substitute stirrers and things to make your hot beverages. There's also a safe and a mini fridge. And there's a note in here saying, stay hydrated, compliments of Marriott Bonvoy. There's an ironing board and some hangers. This looks sufficient for the 2-night stay that we will have here, but if you're staying for more than 2 nights, you may be challenged with this closet space or closet type thing. But yeah, it's fine for us. Here's a full-length mirror to check your look before you leave the room. And here's the bathroom. The sink is clean. Look at this. Clean lines. Now, I don't mean clean as in, okay, it's been sanitized, because, you know, I still got to do that because I'm seeing stuff that, yeah, I got to sanitize. But anyway, there's a milk soap. Interesting. Washcloths, towels. You know, we usually bring our own, but if you don't, they're here for you. Hand and body lotion, tissue, toilet paper, and the toilet. There's a sliding door to the shower. Here are the shower products. Fresh citrus shampoo, fresh citrus conditioner. Here's the rain shower head, the handheld shower, and bath gel. The bathroom has a sliding door to close it off. To see some of the many food options we enjoyed here at the AC Hotel Kingston, check out our emotional trip to Jamaica vlog. Thanks for watching.
What you waited for? Just step out that door.